Hello, in front of me I've got SteelSeries APEX 9. In this video we'll check if this keyboard has hot swap switches. According to device description, SteelSeries APEX 9 is equipped with SteelSeries OptiPoint optical switches. These are supposed to be hot swappable. We can also read that on the original box. Swappable optical switches. Unfortunately, in the original box, switch puller is not included. We can try to pull the switches with this keycaps removal tool, but it can be pretty hard. Firstly, let's remove the keycap. And now the best way to remove switch is by inserting the switch puller from side and gently pulling it upwards. As I said, with this tool it's pretty hard. Let me know in the comments if you managed to pull the switches with this tool. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.